Is that one even moving? That other one?
I don't know.
Mommy,
yet.
I don't see your thing in your car.
Yeah, it's moving.
Mommy, I don't
Oh, it was over there.
I don't see it. It's
Okay.
gone.
What is that right there?
That's the placenta.
Oh, I didn't see it at first. Eat that shit, Tink.
She said, "Mom, why do you eat that shit?"
Shit, nasty as fuck.
Oh, no, you ain't giving him a $10 bill.
Yeah, no, right here. I'll take it. That'll get you 10 hours of playtime right there.
Shit, all I have is a 10, a 5, and a 20.
That 5 will work. That 5 will give me an L.
Hell no, get a game on my phone.
I don't know.
She's like, no, I want to play the actual game.
No, I ain't actually paying money for you to play a game.
I'm already playing.
Don't touch it. No.
Ask him if you can do an IOU.
No, I'm gonna play Spyro. I'm gonna play it. If you don't want me, I'm already gonna play it. I'm already gonna play it. If you won't let me play it, Jim.
I don't even see that one moving.
Yeah, it's moving. She just hasn't cleaned it off yet.
Oh, is she getting the foot? It's a boy. She's a wiener. She's a little wiener.
Can I play, please?
Play the game, man.
It didn't take her long to break that one at all. One boy, one girl.
Now the question is, does she have any more?
Pick her up and fill her belly.
Tink, tink. Ooh. Let me see, Rico. How's that belly of yours?